Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Lekkerbekje, or in English fried fish, very similar to the British fish and chips. This is how we say Lekkerbekje. Lekkerbekje. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the word, Lekkerbekje. 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 The literal translation of Lekkerbekje is a bit weird, since it is delicious for the mouth or delicious small mouth, either because a boneless dish is easy to eat, or because of this type of fish back then, many years ago, was not very well known. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!